I was looking at Pinterest today trying to find some new ideas to upcycle old things. You know, Pinterest has some really creative people on it. And I ran across over 30 unique ideas to upcycle old jeans. There are some really exceptional designs, and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. To recreate this, make a basic bag out of an old pair of denim jeans. Then take and cut the decorative side seams out of your pair of jeans. Cut the strips into small pieces and attach them to the front of the handbag as shown. Take a pair of jeans and slit them up the inside seam. Fold the front crotch over your other inseam and sew them together. Sew a long black triangle piece of fabric onto the front in the gap and in the back in the gap. What a cute and edgy pair of earrings! You could do this with any type of stiffer fabric. Cut about 4 square pieces out of some various colors of old jeans. Use eyelets to attach the squares together as shown in the picture. Attach the final piece to an earring hook and you have yourself a unique piece of jewelry. Cut a pair of jeans up the inner side seams. To turn it into a skirt, overlap and cut the top of the pants so you can make a straight seam down. Place a large triangle of denim in between the back slit and sew it all together. Take the front of your skirt and cut the top higher than the front as shown in the picture. Hem the bottom and you're all set. Cut the side seams off of a pair of jeans. Use the side seam to create this shape and hang on the earring. Super cute! Cut the bottom off of a pair of jeans just below the bottom pocket. Add a lace skirt to the bottom and you have yourself a very unique skirt. Cut the legs off of a pair of jeans. Measure how tall you want the corset, let's say 8 inches. I think that's enough. Sew your jeans together with the legs side by side, and if you need it wider, sew on another piece of jean leg. Cut the corset down the middle in the front and hem all of the edges. Last, place about 4 grommets on each side and lace it up. Cut circles out of several pair of jeans. Glue the circles together, making sure they will lie flat on your neck. Use a clasp in the back to finish your project. Make a basic bag out of old denim. Then cut the waistband off of several pairs of jeans and sew them to the front of your bag. Cut some hearts out of some denim. Sew around the outside and add some beads to your earrings as shown in the picture. Attach them to some earring hangers and you have a cute pair of earrings. Cut the shape out of an old pair of jeans and sew around the inside edge, pulling the string to make the denim gather, which will make it look like a flower. Cut your jeans up the sides to about the knee area. Place triangles in the area where you slit the jeans. Last, use the same fabric to add some patches. Cut a couple of 3/4 inch strips out of some denim and roll them up to about 1/4 of an inch thick. Use a small brush to paint on the white and yellow flowers. Last, add your earring hook and you are all set. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful, but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.